What is up, guys? It's your girl Bree, Fast Life of Bree. We got the doofus laughing behind the camera, but I'm back, as y'all see. You know what I'm saying? I only try to upload what I can at this point. I'm too busy to really just be uploading car content every single day. At least I'm gonna try to do a video at least maybe once a week. I'll do what I can, you know what I'm saying? But I got a 2020 Mustang GT y'all have not seen on the channel. Y'all have not seen it on the channel before. Y'all just seen my shorts or whatever, or you seen it on my Instagram, my Snapchat, or my Facebook. And yeah, I'm gonna just show y'all around the car, you know. This is in fact my dream car, so just follow along.
Loaded in a track.
You know what I'm saying?
Loaded in a track.
You know, this is obviously the car didn't look like this before. It looks different now from what it used to look like when I first got it. The rims ain't the same, but you know what I'm saying? We got the 5.0, you know what I'm saying? This is in fact, you know what I'm saying? This is in fact, this is not a manual. This is a 10-speed. A lot of people know about the 10 speeds. They're known for the Mustangs are known for the transmission or the Camaro, you know what I'm saying? But this is not the performance pack. The performance pack comes with the digital dash. Some of them do. Some of them be having the base model 5.0s with the digital dash, but this is the base 5.0. And I got the big screen, so I think I got a little something with some package. I don't know, y'all, but I got the digital. Well, I got the regular dash. You can't really see it obviously, but because of the door. But when the lights are on and shit, when it's at night, these blow up. You know, the regular steering wheel is basic. It's like a regular Mustang, guys. Look at that. And, you know, I got the big radio right there. I do not have the small radio. That small radio, fuck no. I do not recommend that to anybody because that bitch is small. And who has a radio with fucking numbers on the side of the radio? And then, you know what I'm saying, we got the Mustang. This glows up. Whatever color I want to change on the gauge up here, I can change right here. And in fact, does have a pony on the mirror too. We should have did that before, but it don't matter. It has a pony on the mirror, so when a door open or whatever, or closed, I think, the pony shows up on the ground. And then, oh my bad. You got the cup holders too, you know. It really ain't much to it, y'all, honestly. It's an automatic. You got the basic modes right here. Track, sport, wet, snow and wet. Steering wheel, you know, traction control, hazards, start, stop. You know, it's the basic. Back seat, small as shit. Back seat, ain't nobody fitting in the back, on God. I swear to God, it's just small as fuck. Stop cussing, sorry. You know what I'm saying? It's really not a lot to it, honestly. I'm gonna let the camera lady do what she do behind the camera, but you know, trunk got some space. I ain't gonna lie, it's a little, so don't do me like that. Don't judge, but it's a little dirty. Here's are my mats for the front. I don't want my mats to be in there because I don't want to get holes and stuff in them. But trunk got some space. Obviously, when I'm doing pulls, you know, I gotta have these latches in the back. Snatch them up like I snatch a girl up. Look at that. That's your finger one right there. But yeah. The tail lights, you know, the spoiler, I changed out the spoiler. This was not on here, nothing like that. The lights different, but I got a separate video on that coming soon. You know, I have the quad tips. That's the thing I'm gonna do next. I'm gonna do a new exhaust. I don't want a muffler delete because if I get a muffler delete, I'm gonna have to change the tips out because the tips are on the muffler. So purr. You know how you did the races and the models be. Nah, I'm playing. You know, but like I said, y'all, 2020 Mustang GT. Let me pop the hood. Let me pop the hood for y'all. Let me pop the hood. Look at it. I forgot for a second, y'all. I've been on the road so fucking long. I drive this car when I can. Yeah. Woo! Is it dirty? Oh shit, this shit. Woo! God damn. Yep, basic 5.0, you know, Gen 3 Coyote with a 10-speed 10R80. Yeah. that's you know, basic little run around of the car, basic little view. This video is gonna be, you know, a little short because it's just a basic review of the car. Yeah. Headlights, you know what I'm saying? But woo! Now where y'all from? Because it's hot as fucking Texas. No cap. Too fucking hot. But be sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe. Let me know what videos you guys would like to see on the channel. Like I said, 2020 Mustang GT. Be sure to follow me down on my social medias down below in the description down below. And I'll catch y'all in the next video. Peace.